Here's a list of 6 ways photographers can make money. 1. Freelance photography. Offer your services for events like weddings, parties, and corporate gatherings. Freelance work allows you to set your rates and build a client base. 2. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. You earn royalties whenever your images are downloaded or purchased. 3. Photo workshops and classes. Share your knowledge and expertise by teaching photography workshops or classes. These can be in person or online, and you can charge participants for your instruction. 4. Photo books and calendars. Compile your best work into coffee table books or calendars and sell them online or in local stores. 5. Photo editing and retouching. If you have strong editing skills, offer post-processing services to other photographers or clients looking to enhance their images. 6. Photojournalism. Submit your work to newspapers, magazines, and online publications. Freelance photographers often contribute to news outlets and earn per assignment.